Yes, something as simple as paper can help your child and your students with their math. Now, as a special education teacher, I might add that the strategies that I'm going to give you will help students with dyscalculia. Dyscalculia is a type of dyslexia that affects math and counting, where there can be some spatial awareness issues, such as lining up numbers. Now, these also can help support with some accommodations, parents that you can advocate for in these IEP meetings, such as note taking, which you'll see soon. But I'm going to walk you through these three strategies. Dots and boxes. This is a super fun one for your child and your students. This supports their counting, addition, shape recognition, color recognition, strategy, mathematical thinking. Let me walk you through it. This game is very similar to tic-tac-toe, but it's colored lines instead. So each student takes a turn with the square. If you are at home, your child can take a line and you can take the other line. You finish the square and you color it in with your color. This works on geometry, patterns, and you can work on terms like altogether. How many squares do we finish with altogether? A mini notebook. This is super easy for your child to make and for you to learn in order to teach them. Students with dyscalculia who have that spatial awareness issue, lining up those numbers and things like that, this will help them because the main purpose, in this case for note taking, is to understand the concept rather than writing on lined paper. The means is not important, but the understanding is important. This can also help students with ADHD who have attention issues. They can draw their notes rather than write them because, again, the means is not as important as the understanding. So I put some examples in here. Let's say your child is learning colors. Here's a blue dot. They can put colors on each page. Let's say they are learning operations. Here's addition, add, count on, plus, more. This is an ELA, a language arts, but you kind of get the point with this, is they can draw the concept so they can understand it. All right, make sure the paper is horizontal in front of you. Fold that page. Then you're going to open it up. Now turn it and make sure now it's vertical and flip it up. Then you are going to flip half of the top fold back towards you. Then you're going to flip the page and now fold the half that you did not fold and fold it back. Open it up like an accordion. You don't have to flip the page like I did. Now you will crease it. Cut it halfway on that line. And then you are going to fold the bottom middle to one side and then fold the top middle to the other side. And you'll see how I did that here. And then you're going to fold the halves together. And then you're going to close the book. And there you go. Grid paper. Grid paper you can get at the Dollar Tree, Amazon, Target, Walmart. It helps students with dyscalculia who has that spatial awareness issue. It simply helps students who kind of have sloppy writing. But it helps students line up numbers, decimals, inequalities. It helps students clearly see what they are writing. Because as we know, if there's one little mishap when they do their problem, the whole answer is incorrect. So they can clearly see the numbers, the decimals, etc. when they use grid paper. All in all, you can use paper to support your child in math. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.